The next question is what will be the formula and electron dot structure of cyclopentane? We will know about the penthane and its formula also because the penthane is having the formula C2H12. But because it become now cyclopentane, so that's why the number of hydrogen atom will be reduced to 10. So that's why the formula for cyclopentane will become C5H10. And the electron dot structure is given below in the diagram in the form of ring. Here you can see the number of the carbon atom in cyclopentane are 5. The number of carbon atom in a cyclopentane is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And accordingly the number of hydrogen atom are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each 2 of hydrogen atom is attached with 1 of carbon atom. So the carbon atom will share its 1 of electron with each 1 atom of hydrogen. So if the 2 atom of hydrogen is attached with the 1 carbon atom, so the carbon atom will share only 2 electron with the 2 hydrogen atom. So accordingly the carbon atom will be left with the 2 more electrons. So how it will be? It will be share its 2 left electrons. So the carbon-carbon chain will be forming between the 5 different carbon atoms. And each carbon atom will share 1 of its electron with the another carbon atom. In the same way, it will be complete its sharing of 4 electrons, 2 with the hydrogen atom and 2 with the 2 different carbon atoms. As you can see, this C1 is sharing 1 of its electron with this one hydrogen atom and another electron with this second hydrogen atom. And this C1 shares the third one electron of its with the C2 carbon and fourth one electron of its with the C5 carbon atom. In the same way, the C5 is also sharing its 2 of its electron with 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 with C1 and C4. In the same way, these all carbon atom will be share its 4 electrons in its valence shell and make a bond like that. And it is a complete structure for cyclopentane. The next one is draw the structure for the following compounds. They are the compound that is written there. First one is the ethanoic acid, second is bromopentane, third one is the butane, and fourth one is the hexanol. So to draw its structure diagram, first of all we have to know about the chemical formula of each of that compound. First of all, we will take the example of ethanoic acid, that is also known as acetic acid. We all well know that the ethanoic acid is made up of ethene and oic group, that is a halogen group. So ethanoic acid or acetic acid is a combination of two words, that is ethane or ethane and plus oic group, that is a halogen group. According to the oic group, the chemical formula for it is COOH, and accordingly the in ethane there are the 2 carbon atoms, so that's why we are left with a 1 carbon atom only, because 1 carbon atom is already there in the oic group. So ethane is known for the 2 carbon atom, and accordingly the 6 hydrogen atom, sorry, 6 hydrogen atom. Now this ethane is left with a 3 hydrogen atom, because the rest of the carbon bonding will be done by the oxygen and OH group. So how it will be done, let's see in the diagram. Here accordingly, because in a ethane carbon compound there is a 2 carbon atom only, so the number of carbon atom in ethanoic will be 2. So accordingly the 2 carbon atom C1 and C1 and C2 are there. So this C1 the first one will share its 4 electron, where it will be shared its first electron with this H1, the second electron with this H2 and third electron with the H3, and left 1 electron with the C2. This C2 having the 4 valence electron, and one of its electron it will be shared with the C1. So they will be having the covalent bonding in between them. They will be done the sharing of 1 electron with each other. So accordingly the C2 also will share 1 of its electron with C1, 2 of electron with the oxygen, because the oxygen having the 2 vacancy, so that's why it will be shared 2 of its electron with the oxygen and 1 left electron with the OH group. So accordingly it will be complete its bond. So C2 is also completed its bond and C1 is also completed its bond. So this is the complete structure diagram for ethanoic acid or acetic group. Now the next one is a bromopentane. As we know that in a pentane there are the 5 carbon electrons and accordingly the number of hydrogen atom also. But because the bromo is attached with there, which is a halide group, so bromo will be replace one of the hydrogen atom in pentane. So how the structure diagram will be drawn and what will be the possible chemical formula for it? Let's see. The bromopentane is represented by this chemical formula and 3 isomer of bromopentane. As we well know, the isomer is the 3 different structure of a same chemical formula, same chemical compound. So there are 3 different structure, 1, 2, 3. These 3 are the isomer of bromopentane because it is representing the same chemical formula or same chemical compound but with the 3 different ways. So that's why they are the isomer of bromopentane. Now the thing is that what will be the chemical formula for bromopentane? As we well know that in a pentane there is a 5 electrons of carbon and hydrogen atoms are accordingly 12. But this is the number of atom in a pentane. But here we are adding a 1 halogen group with it. So that's why it will be replaced with one of its hydrogen atom and the formula will become C5H12Br. As you can see in this formula also there are the 5 different carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Accordingly there is a 1 bromo atom and number of hydrogen atom are 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 8 9 and plus 2 11. Accordingly the 11 hydrogen atom are also there. So now we are across the structural diagram of it. So bromopentane will be drawn according to that first structure. So accordingly the CC carbon atom, because it is a pentane, this pentane is written there, so that's why there will be a saturated bonding between the carbon-carbon atom. That means to say single covalent bond between the carbon-carbon atom. So accordingly we will take different C carbon atoms. We will name them as C1, C2, C3, C4 and C5 and 1 brom atom. So it will be there with that last one. This is a one kind of structure of bromopentane. So rest of the C will be complete their bond with the hydrogen atom. Accordingly we will add 1 hydrogen atom here, 1 hydrogen atom here, 1 hydrogen atom here for C1 because the C1 is attached with 3 different hydrogen atom and it will be shared one of the electron with the carbon atom C2. For C2 there will be 2 hydrogen atom because the C2 will share 2 electrons with C1 and C3 and 2 left electrons with this H and this H. The C3 is same way will share its 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons with C2 and C4. C4 also will share 2 of its electrons with the 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons with C3 and C5. The C5 will share 2 of its electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 electron with C4 and 1 electron with Br. In the same way, you can also draw the structure diagram from bromopentane in a 2 different way. That is drawn there. The bromopentane is coming with the C4 carbon atom, and accordingly that complete formula for bromopentane will be changed. So accordingly, the formula will be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, Br and CH3. The same way you can write the chemical formula for the third isomer also. The next one is butane. As the name is suggesting, it is for but. So butane is having the 3 carbon atom. There are the 4 carbon atom, not 3. It's a 4 carbon atom because methane, ethane, butane. There is a methane, ethane, propane, butane. So butane having the 4 carbon atoms. So accordingly, the 4 carbon atom will be there in the butane C4, and now it is saying butane 1. So that means to say ONE group is there. That means to say there is a CO group is there. CO functional group. So you have to be write down first of all the complete diagram, sorry, complete structure diagram, complete chemical formula. After that you have to draw the complete structure diagram. So I will just write it clearly. So C4 defining the butane one is having the 4 carbon atom. Accordingly, H value will be 8 and CO group will be there. We will replace the two hydrogen atom. So accordingly, you can draw the structure diagram for it. So I am drawing the structure diagram for butane here. C, C, and C. So there are the 4 carbon atoms: C1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can have the C3 with double bonding with oxygen. So rest of the carbon atom will share its electrons with the hydrogen atom. So accordingly you can draw the number of hydrogen atom here, where it will be help to complete the carbon covalent bonding. So accordingly you can write down the formula for it also. Because the C1 is having the 4 valence electrons, so it will be share its 4 electrons with the 3 different hydrogen atom and 1 with a carbon, which is C2. The C2 will share its 2 of electron with the 2 different hydrogen atom and 2 electrons with C1 and C3. C3 will be share 2 of its electron with C2 and C4. This is a 2, and 2 of its electron with the oxygen, and C4 will share 3 of its electron with the hydrogen and 1 electron with C3. So accordingly, from this structure you can also write down this diagram, which will be equivalent to this. So for this C1 there will be CH3, for C2 it will be CH2, this is a 3, for CH2, for carbon 1 group CO, and for CH3 is for C4, sorry, by mistake. So it is C4. So it will be C4. So this is how you can write down the structure diagram. You can write down the chemical formula and you can draw the structure diagram from butane. Hexanol is the next one. As the name is suggesting, hex, it's having the 6 carbon atom and it is having the Al group. That means say OH group. CHO group, sorry, not OL but CHO group. So C6 are there. That means the number of carbon atom will be C6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom will be there. The number of hydrogen atom will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 5 here, 5 here, 10, 11. 11. That means the formula will be C6, H11 and CHO. Accordingly, you can draw this structure diagram and can have this formula also. So first of all, you have to write down the C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 up to C6. Accordingly, the number of hydrogen atom needed for sharing of valence electron in carbon and 1 group of CHO, that is halogen group. So in this way, you can have the structure group chemical formula of these all carbon compounds.